Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus other editors. Let's dive into why VS Code has become a favorite for many developers. It's a lightweight, open source, and cross-platform editor, meaning it runs smoothly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With a marketplace offering tens of thousands of extensions, you can customize it for virtually any programming language or task. Its integrated terminal, debugger, and Git control also significantly streamline your development workflow, making it incredibly efficient. While VS Code is popular, many other excellent editors cater to different needs. Sublime Text, for instance, is renowned for its incredible speed and minimalist design, perfect for quick edits. Atom, also built on Electron, provides deep customization and a vibrant community. Then there are classics like Vim and Emacs, which, while having a steeper learning curve, offer unparalleled efficiency for keyboard-driven users. For larger projects, full-fledged IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA or Visual Studio provide extensive features tailored to specific programming ecosystems. When choosing an editor, several factors come into play. Performance is key. Lightweight editors often start in milliseconds, while feature-rich ones might take a few seconds. Customization is another big one. Do you prefer a highly configurable environment or something that works well out of the box? Community support and the availability of extensions are vital for troubleshooting and expanding functionality. Finally, consider the learning curve. Some editors are intuitive, while others, like Vim, demand a significant initial time investment. So, which editor is truly better? The honest answer is there isn't one single best option. It truly depends on your specific needs and workflow. For most modern web and general development, VS Code offers an outstanding balance of features, performance, and a massive community. However, if you're tackling large enterprise applications, a full IDE might be more suitable. For command-line aficionados or those prioritizing raw speed for text manipulation, editors like Vim or Sublime Text could be your perfect match. Experiment and find what feels right for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.